All right. Good morning, students. I hope you all good. Once check and audio clarity, everything is fine or not, then we are going to start our class. Firstly, check and inform to me. So, okay, right. So now today's session is for you all. So now we are going to discuss part D, 2022 model paper, mathematics. Today's session is very important for you all. Kindly join as early as possible. So 11:50 is our time. So our time is started. So firstly come and join to the class. Right. Anyhow, whether you come or not, if you are here present, just say that present, sir, so that I was sent for everyone link now. So you just check the link and click important questions you have to remember. Once this is finished, after that onwards, there is no live for your class. Only question papers will be sent to you so that you have to solve those all questions and send to me back as solutions. Okay, let's go for solution send as a back. So let's go for part D 21 in that first question. Means every question having internal choice. And now first question I'm solving. Integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx. So when I was explaining this all problems, I was saying this is important question. Once check and listen clearly so that you can understand. Otherwise, it's not possible to be understand. All right, so let me give for you all 30 seconds, then again I will continue. Let's check how many. So I said today is the last and final one, and still the students are not joined. Join firstly, say good morning. Okay, now Dhruv joined. Very good morning, Dhruv. This is our final session. Everyone join fast and saying anything for you all right now. Just Dhruv came to say present. Anyhow, so we are going to discuss two methods to solve this problem. I'm going to first method. Let's see here carefully now. First one, it is in the form of 0 to a f of x dx is nothing but 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. This is the formula which you have to use now. So now 0 to a, let's say this as I, let I is equal to 0 to a, f of x plus what is there? Log of 1 plus cos x dx. This give as equal 1. That is equal to, you know that whenever 0 to a f of x dx is there, we can write 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So now I is equal to 0 to a plus here, what is that? Pi. 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos of a means here pi minus x into dx. So now this we'll write it as I is equal to 0 to pi log of 1, and see here cos of pi minus x is nothing but minus cos x. So now we'll write 1 minus cos of pi minus x is nothing but minus cos x. Remember that. So that is dx. Let's give this as equation number 2. So now add 1 and 2. Okay. Let's write here add 1 and 2. Okay. Garima said good morning. Dhruv said I am present, sir. But here it is not at all showing your numbers and all. Let me check here. Okay. No, I was not finding your numbers. Means you just came for the present and went. All right, let's see here. So now add 1 and 2 to I is equal to, now integral 0 to pi here also 0 to pi, so only 1 0 to pi, right? Now here log of 1 plus cos x, here log of 1 minus cos x, right? That log of 1 plus cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x. So today's one is very important session. If you miss this, nobody will help you. All right. So now this 2I is equal to 0 to pi. So now we'll write log m plus log n log mn. So we'll write log of 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x, that is into dx. So now 2I is equal to 0 to pi log of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus square, from that 1 minus cos square x dx. 1 minus but sine square x. So 2I is equal to 0 to pi log of sine square x dx. So now here 2 is what doing? It is, log of a power m is equal to m log a. So according to that, what we'll write? We'll write this as 2I is equal 2 log sin x dx. Okay, now 2 you write constant, it is right outside, so 0 to pi log sin x dx. Now 2 and 2 get cancelled, so now we'll write here it is I is equal to 0 to pi 0 to pi log sin x dx. And this 0 to pi, this pi can I write like this? Pi upon 2 into 2. 2 to get cancel, again pi will come. So why I was written in that way? So then it becomes one more formula, 0 to 2a f of x dx is nothing but, so remember this formula, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 of 0 to a f of x dx. We can write in that way, because of that reason I written in this way. So now I is equal to write 2 0 to pi upon 2 log sin x dx. And this formula in our RBSE textbook, means last year we used RB, substitute it. So what is 0 to pi upon 2 log sin x dx means? So that is I is equal to 2 into, this is nothing but minus pi upon 2 log 2 log sin x dx is equal to minus pi upon 2 log 2. Use this, you get full mark. So then 2 and 2 get cancelled. I is equal to minus pi log 2. If not, what you need to do, for this solution purpose, you need to go for big procedure. Then 1, 1, which is well understood. If you are understood, just keep the thumb symbol so that I can know that you are present. So you just keep your thumb symbol. Right. So Saul still he is not present. I don't know whether he is sleeping or not. So I think maybe he is in some other. We know that till now not attended to the class. Let me check next one. Okay, so Garima just she is keeping the thumb symbols at least. Okay, let's move on to the second one in this. So you just concentrate now. 0 to pi upon 4 sin x plus cos x upon 9 plus 16 sin 2x into dx. So here sine 2x means, so what I will do, you just concentrate here. Sine 2x means I am going to write some other manner. So that is nothing but, let me write here something, then you can understand. So sine x minus cos x whole square is equal to sine square x plus cos square x minus sine 2x. We'll write this. Then sin x minus cos x whole square is equal to sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1. 1 minus sin 2x. Writing in the form of this method, sin x minus cos x means you just take now, let sin x minus cos x is equal to t, then what is going to be happen? Let's check. D by dx of sin x is cos x minus minus d by dx of cos x is nothing but minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Then minus into minus plus, so cos x plus sin x into dx. So to make this as a simpler form, we used the formula of sine 2x is equal to 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. This idea you won't get immediately. You have to practice, then only you are going to get this kind of ideas. So let's move to the next problem, then you can understand. All right. Check the clarity also whether it is good or not. If clarity is missing, immediately inform to me. If you are not informed, then I am not knowing that, then it is going to be very difficult for you to watch. Is it good clarity? Okay. If clarity is good, then it is okay. So now we'll go for remaining part. Okay, so let's see now next what we need to do with this. So here cos x plus sin x into dx is equal to dt happened. Then this also we have to change. Whenever converting this complete into t form, dt form, then you have to convert remaining all. So anyhow, first I need to write this all part, then only I can solve this. So I'll write here 0 to pi upon 2 sin x plus cos x into dx upon 9 plus 16 into, so sine 2x, here it is there. So sine 2x we can write as 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Minus sin x minus cos x whole square. First I'll write this, then only I can solve the problem. So now let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Then we got cos x plus sin x dt is dx is equal to dt. After that, this also you have to convert into the t form. Okay. So here I thought, what is t? Sin x minus cos x is equal to t, I thought. Now, first here 0 is there. Substitute 0. Sin 0 minus cos 0 is 1, so that t is equal to minus 1. When x is 0, t is minus 1. When x is pi upon 2, sorry, pi upon 4, what you are going to get. So x is equal to pi upon 4, then sine pi upon 4 minus cos pi upon 4 is equal to t. Sine pi upon 4, 1 upon root 2, this also 1 upon root 2, then both get cancelled, 0 is equal to t. So that means minus 1 to 0. So now we'll write limits minus to 0. So understand clearly here what I was writing. So when I substituted 0, I got answer as minus 1. When I substituted pi upon 4, I got answer as 0. So minus 1 to 0 written. Then sin x plus cos x dx is nothing but you know that dt. So write dt upon, now 9 is there as it is 9. 16 is there, 16 as it is, bracket 1 minus sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. You thought as what? Sin x minus cos x as t. So wherever this sin x minus cos x is there, t substitute. So t square. So that is about it. Now just we need to simplify. Minus 1 to 0 dt upon just this multiply, what you are going to get 9 first plus 16 ones are 16 minus 16 t square. Now this is it is dt 9 plus 16 25 minus 16 t square. This still we can simplify as minus 1 to dt upon 5 square minus 4t whole square. If clarity is good, kindly keep that thumb symbol. So clarity is good, kindly keep the thumb symbol, I can understand. So here 5 square minus 4t square you got. Now we are going to use one formula, that is, remember carefully. The formula is dx upon a square minus x square. What is formula? You know that 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. This is your formula. Have you remember this? Remember, just you need to substitute. Remember here plus c I am not going to write here because it is which integral? Definite integral. It is not indefinite integral, right? So let's solve this problem. Let's check the clarity. Clarity is not good means immediately inform to me. Dhruv, what are you saying? Whether it is clarity is good you are saying or not good saying? Type so that I get to know. I think you are saying good. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next then. Means next step. Let's go for next one. So here it is given as for you. That one is equal to minus 1 to 0. Now dt upon 5 square, this means I said first for you formula apply. When you apply formula 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 2a, 2 into a is here what? 5. So write 2 into 5. Now log written modulus of a plus x. A is here what? 5 plus x means 40. 5 plus 40 upon 5 minus whichever number multiplying the x, that should be you need to write as a division manner. So now this completely upon you need to write as 4. So 4 written. So let's see, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 4 40. 1 upon 40 is a constant, and here it is completely the minus 1 to 0, right? Minus 1 to 0 modulus 5 plus 40 upon 5 minus 40 and minus 1 to 0. First substitute 0, then substitute minus 1. So now 1 upon 40. Now when you substitute 0, what you are going to get? Log of So 0 here means 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5 minus log of modulus start 5 plus 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1 means minus 4 upon 5. Already here minus into minus plus 4. Modulus close. Now 1 upon 40. This log 1 is nothing but 0, so no need to write that. Then minus your log of. Now what is here? 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. So 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 9 is here, that we can write. So after writing, this is just like minus 1. So what I'm going to do, you just check now. 1 upon 40. So now this is log of 1 upon 9 means 1 upon 3 square. 1 upon 3 square will write 3 power minus 2. Log of 3 power minus 2 whole power minus 1. So now at last 1 upon 40 log of minus into minus plus. So log of 3 square, still if you want to write 1 upon 40 log 9 also you can write, or you want to simplify this to write down and you get 1 upon 20 log 3. Last answer what you will get? Last answer for this is 1 upon 20 log 3. This is your final answer. I hope you all understood. If you are understood, inform to me so that we'll go for next problem. Yes. All right. So that is about your problem number 2. Now remaining 2 are very easy. Remaining 4 problems are very easy. So we are going to discuss only 3 problems. One problem I am going to give as a homework. Every problem is easy if you are already practiced properly your integration, differentiation, differential equations. 42 problem complete equations, and that also one is homogeneous equations one, and there is solve the differential equation. So both are very easy ones and you have to concentrate more on that. It is given as solve the differential equation x cos of y upon x dy upon dx is equal to y cos of y upon x plus x is homogeneous and solve it. So you need to prove that first it is a homogeneous. How to prove? Dy upon dx as it is, right, and whatever is there here send to that side. So y cos of y upon x plus x upon x cos of y upon x. In both common x. So dy upon dx is equal to x. Common means you get y upon x cos of y upon x plus x common. So now it is 1, this also 1. So then dy upon dx is equal to x to the power 0. Then y upon x cos of y upon x plus 1 upon cos of y upon x. So have you remembered this? So if you are not remembered, remember this one here. If anything in the form of like this, dy upon dx is equal to x to the power of n f of y upon x, then it is in the form of homogeneous equation. So therefore, it is in the form of homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation with order 0, because here x, then order here 0 comes 0, 1 comes 1, 2 comes 2, so order is 0. So it is a homogeneous equation. Till this you will get for you, till this you get 1 mark and remaining part 3 mark. So let's go for remaining. Now once this is finished, what we need to do? Let y is equal to vx. So whenever it is homogeneous equation, you have to use this. Y is equal to Vx. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So let me give this as equation number 1. When you differentiate 2y upon x, this give equation number 2. dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. This is equation 3. Give 2 and 3. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. When you substitute in number 1, what you are going to get? Dy upon dx means write this complete one. V plus x dv upon dx, that is equal to, now x power 0 is 1, so no need to write that. Then y upon x means what do you know? V. Substitute that. V. Cos of y upon x is nothing but cos v plus 1. Then upon what is here? Cos v. Upon cos v. I think up to here everyone understood. So next what I'll do here, plus v, go to that side, minus v. So x dv upon dx is equal to v cos v plus 1 upon cos v minus v. Now multiply, what you are going to get, check. X dv upon dx is equal to v cos v plus 1 minus v into v cos v get cancelled. X dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon cos v. This problem is an example problem, an important problem. Now this x is there, go to that side, 1 upon x, dx is dividing, go to that side, multiplication. So I'll write here itself. It is cos v d by integrating. So by integrating, what you get? Integral cos v dv is equal to integral 1 upon x dx. Cos v dv is nothing but sin v is equal to, this is log modulus of x. So here log is there, here constant also take in the log form, log c. Then sin v is equal to log of modulus xc. Then v means what do you know? Y upon x. Substitute that. Sin of sin of y upon x is equal to log modulus of xc. This is only your final solution. Okay. I hope you all understood what I was said. Anyone having any doubt, you can inform to me now itself. Still anyone having any doubt, inform to me. If you are coming with other IDs, kindly type your name, then only I get to know. All right. So now this is about your problem number 22 in that one. Remember 21 question completely from your integration. That is also, remember clearly, it is indefinite integrals only, not indefinite integrals, definite. Definite integrals means what do you know? So like this, 0 to 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to pi upon 2, like that intervals they are going to give. You need to find the particular values. In other words, we can say that particular solutions, that all. Okay. So 21 is completely that, 22 completely your differential equation. In that one question from homogeneous equation, this is about your 22. Let's move on to the 22 second one. And this problem is very important for your examination point of view. Even in your board examination also we may expect this. So next question. It is very simple question. Next one also. Tan inverse y minus x into dy is equal to 1 plus y square into dx. Okay. So now it is dy upon dx form not possible to write. So we'll write inside division. So I'll write tan inverse y minus x is equal to 1 plus y square into dx upon dy. Now here 1 plus y square is multiplying comes to here division. So tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square minus 1 upon 1 plus y square into x. So x upon 1 plus y square or 1 upon 1 plus y square into x, both are same. That is equal to dx upon dy, and here minus is there, go to that side, plus. So now tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square is equal to dx upon dy plus 1 upon 1 plus y square into x. Have you observed what is this form? This form is like dx upon dy plus px is equal to q. So in this, which is Q, which is P? So you know that Q is this and P is this, correct? So now, if like this, if you get, what you need to do? First, you need to find integration factor, IF, is equal to E integral P D. Whenever X form is there, Y you are going to get. Okay. E to the power of integral p means what do you know? 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 upon 1 plus y square, and here dy is there, dy. You know that 1 upon 1 plus x square is nothing but tan inverse x, but here y is there means tan inverse y. So e to the power of tan inverse y. So that is about your IF. So IF you found, then how to solve your problem. Okay, Sahil said good morning. When Sahil you are sleeping till now? I think now only you woke up there. All right. So please kindly this today I said it is very important session for you all. Even previous sessions I just informed to you come, but I was not considered that. But this is very important session. Today, kindly don't miss out this session. So inform to your other friends also, let them come and join. Once this is finished, I want to give plan for you how to prepare for your board examination. Then later, tomorrow onwards, it is means if today this is finished, tomorrow onwards, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give for you all some papers, examination papers. Then it is just you need to practice it. That's it. If you are facing any problem with the internet, kindly refresh it and then join. Refresh and then join in the live so that it will be good. Just for present purpose, don't be up. So now if we found, so after that how to find the solution? So IF into Q. All right. Integral. So now you'll write here IF into. So first you need to write IF into X here, because here it is in the form of x, right? So if into x, that is equal to if into q, that into dy. So let's see how we are going to solve this one. It is very important one. If you are not understood, then everything is going to be zero for that. So x into if, integral if into q, and then dy plus c. So let's see. If is nothing but here e to the power of tan inverse y into x. and integral e to the power of tan inverse y. And what is our q here? Q is nothing but, here you found here, what is that? Tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. So write tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square, that into dy. So now what I will do is here, so this I'll give as equation number 1, and let I'll take this as I is equal to integral e to the power of tan inverse y into tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square into dy. Now let tan inverse y is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to x, 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to dt. That means complete part is going to be dt. Okay, just substitute now. I is equal to integral e to the power of tan inverse y, means e power into, now tan inverse y is nothing but it is t, then this complete part is nothing but dt. So now you know that, so first you need to solve arithmetic one, UV formula you can apply, then we'll solve the problem. So last and final part there I will solve. You just check whether clarity is good or not. Once if it is missing the clarity, inform to me. Whenever clarity is missing, you just need to inform so that I can know, and I'll take some actions towards that. If you are not saying, then I'll think that the clarity is good. Right, let's see now. So now first UV formula is what? Integral UV dx is equal to, we will write here u integral v dx minus, and then you'll write integral du upon dx whole dx. This we need to solve. So let's see now. So I is equal to, here uv is this and v is this. So let's check now. U means what? T. So now t integral e to the power t dt minus integral dt upon dt integral e to the power of t dt into dt. So now t e to the power of t is nothing but e power t minus, this becomes cancel 1. Then integral e power t is nothing but e power t. Again integral e power t means e power t only. So now at last plus c will come. So now e power t in both places just common. What you get? T minus 1. So t minus 1 plus c. T means what do you know? E power tan inverse y, then tan inverse y minus 1 plus c. This gives us 2 in 1. So this 2, the value you have to substitute in the this first equation. So then what we'll get? We'll get here e to the power of tan inverse y into x is equal to tan inverse y minus 1 plus c. Now this tan inverse y is multiplying, go to that side, division. So I'll remove this part and I'll divide e power tan inverse y, and here e power tan inverse y, and this get cancel. So then x is equal to tan inverse y minus 1 plus c e to the power of minus tan inverse y. So that is your final answer. So I hope you all understood this question. So then the next one, it is probability one. So I'll explain first one and second one, variance and mean one, so that you need to solve that problem. Okay. So that is about this. Once again, understand here. First you are written in the form of dx upon dy. Then you found the if. Once if you find the if, you have the thing formula implies I into x is equal to, see remember here in the x form I took, that is in if into x. If y form I took if into y. Okay, if into x integral if into q into dy. So you solved everything and we got at last this answer. Okay, so that is about your problem number 22 second. So now last and final question for your examination point. Okay, so now last and final one, so that is 23rd one. So let me explain this 23rd, then we'll close this session also. And I want to tell something for you important, that is once this is completed then I will tell to you. All right, let me write this part now. So 23rd problem we are going to discuss now. 23rd, a manufacturer has three machine operators A, B, C. The first operator A produces 1% defective items, where other two operators B and C produces 5%, 7% defective. So A, B, C. These all operators. A is how much percentage they said? 1% defective item, but in the probability means 0.01. And B 5% defective products, that means 0.05. And then C is, it is 7% they said, that is nothing but 0.07. Simply we can say that these are the defective ones. So let me write your defective ones here. So your defective ones are, let me write, so first the production also I'll write ABC productions this. So machine operator, machine operator, and then A is on the job 50% of the time, and B is on the job 30% of the time. C is on the job 20% of the time. So A is 50% of the time, and then B means that is producing by the manufacturer operator. So it is 30% on time. So on the job, and then next one it is 30% of the time. So next C is on the job 20% of the time. So that means they were said the machine operator A 50% of time he is in that machine place, B place 30%, C place 20%. Means all are given directly only. Let's this take as E1 and this event E2, this event E3. Okay. So probability of E1 is nothing but 0.5. 50% means 0.5. Probability of E2 is 0.3. Probability of E3 is nothing but 0.2. Now, in this time, defective one is 1%. So now we here probability of it is E upon E1. So E is nothing but defective. So event E is nothing but I am thinking as defective. Okay. So then I'll write defective item in the machine number 1, that is E1. It is defective item in the machine number 2, defective item in the machine number 3. Then what they said to find, so they said for your what is the probability that it was produced by B, produced by A defective item is produced, what is the probability of that it was produced by A? So first one it need to be produced by A. A is nothing but even produced by A, and that item should be defective. By using Bayes theorem, what is your formula? E1 upon E is nothing but P of E1 into P of E upon E1, that is upon, this is favorable outcomes, then total number of outcomes now. P of E1 into P of E upon E1 plus P of E2 into P of E upon E2 plus P of E3 into P of E upon E3. Just substitute these values. All the values are with you only: 0.01, 0.05, 0.07, 0.5, 0.3, 0.2. All values are there. Just substitute, you get your answer. So anyhow, let me finish this part. And then last problem I'll give as a homework, because mean and variance problem is that. It is very simple question. That is the reason giving as a homework mean and variance. When I was explaining probability, I said that is very, very important, mean and variance. So you can choose in the probability for the 4 marks, either Bayes theorem one. So here you need to understand that one question they will give from the Bayes theorem, one question they are going to give from your mean and variance. So either mean and variance question you can attempt. So now P of E1 upon E is equal to, P of E1 is nothing but here 0.5 into 0.01. Again I'm writing 0.5 into 0.01 plus 0.3 into 0. You are going to get 5.005. So when you multiply this 0.005 and this also 0.005 plus this is 0.015 plus and you multiply this 7 2s are 14, so 0.014. Going to get 0.005 upon 15 plus 14, 29, 29 plus 5, 34. So that means 0.034. Multiply this and this with the 1000, both with the 1000. You are going to get 5 upon 34. This is your final answer. Okay. I hope you all understood this final answer. So that is about your probability question. And last one, mean and variance one. It is very simple question, just you need to do as a homework. And now we have to discuss. Anyhow, we will finish. So I'll give idea for you, that is how to solve. Then I will leave you. Okay. So I want to explain to you after that what is the planning, how you need to study, and I'm going to give for you some problems also. Anyhow, last and final, two cards are drawn simultaneously without replacement. Without replacement. From a well shuffled pack of cards 52. So you know that total cards are 52. Find the mean and variance of the number of kings. Okay. So two cards are drawn simultaneously. Number of kings means I need to find kings. The two cards. See, two cards are drawn. Then I want to find the probability of kings, means how many possibilities are there. Kings one. Let x is equal to 0 kings possible, 1 king possible. Two cards are also kings is possible. Zero kings means when you shuffled cards plus when you took the two randomly, that may not be kings, or one may be the king, or two are kings. Possibilities are there. So 0, 1 and 2. Now what is the probability when you are getting zero, zero kings? Okay, so let me write that if it is zero kings, what is probability? Probability of getting zero kings. Zero kings. So zero kings means, so here So zero kings. How many kings are there? Four kings are there. Out of four, zero. So one king also you did not get. That means out of 48 cards, remaining two will be possible. And we'll write then later 52 cards plus 2 you have to do. So this is the probability of getting zero kings. Then you solve this, get the answer. And similarly, probability of getting probability of getting one king. One king means 4C1 and then 48C1, then 52C2. Solve this, get one king answer. Similarly, two kings, probability of getting two kings. Then 4C2, 48C0 upon 52C2. Solve this, get the answer and make a table. Make a table. Here this is x 0 1 and then p of x. So here probabilities you will get by using that find mean and variance. Okay, so that is about final question. Mean and variance already was given for you all formulas. So you just go through your textbook and then solve the mean and variance. Okay. So that is about your last and final problem. So now just concentrate here. So what I'm going to say for you all, that is very important now. So till now we completed this RBSE board examination question paper which was given in that, but mainly here you have to concentrate if you want to score good marks. First complete 4 mark, 3 mark and 2 marks. So here they were clearly given in that pattern how it is going, means which models are possible to get, they were already provided for you all. You just need to concentrate according to that, and you have to solve the problems. So for you all now, what I will do is I will send for you all through the group or in the WhatsApp group. I'm going to send to you every day some questions to you. You have to solve that. You have to submit to me. Okay. So that is only going to be your work now onwards. So I don't want to take any online class for you all from today onwards. Because syllabus we finished in the month of November itself, and then we were practiced one time revision also finished before that December itself, and now this model paper also finished. Now what we are going to do is we just going to practice. So now completely you need to practice. If you are having doubts, you need to ask, and I'll give every day some questions. You have to practice it, send that solutions to me. Okay. That is about, see, my work I was done completely. You have to do your work. All right, may God bless you all. Today I took, I think, more time. So our time actually ends at, normally it is at 12:35, and I took today 12:45. So 10 minutes extra has happened. Okay, no worries. So tomorrow onwards there is no live class for 12th standard. Only revision is going to be happen. That is also question papers will be sent to you all. May God bless you all.